Hey guys, Andres here. Today I'm going to show you how to install running boards on a Toyota Tacoma. I really like how my Tacoma looks with these running boards. So let's get started. In my case, I bought the iBoard running boards, so regardless if you bought it from them or not, the process is the same. First, we want to make sure that we received everything that we need for this installation. Now I like to lay out all my brackets, my bulbs, and my washers to make sure that everything's completed and have a better visual how everything's gonna go in. So we are going to be working with two types of bolts, the M8 and M6. The M8s are the ones that I'm showing you right here. You're gonna grab them and put the M8 washers, and on top of that you're gonna put the M8 lock washers. We are going to do this for all the 12 bolts, and you see why. Now these are the two plastic tabs that you need to take off from the bottom of the truck. You don't need anything, just your fingers, twist them to the left and they'll come out very easy. Now let's put every bracket and every M8 bolt where they're gonna go. In my case, this is the driver's side, so we're going to put the DFM in the front and then the DCM in the middle and the back. Okay, so as you get started, make sure that you tie these M8 bolts with the brackets by hand only. Again, you're gonna do this for all the 6 bolts in this side and same thing for the other side. And this is how it should look. Now we're going to grab our passenger board and use the M6 bolts, which are the square ones. And the way they go in is very easy. They just slide in. Before screwing in the bolts, you can see that you have some wiggle room to have them more in or out. Next, we're going to install the M6 washers and the M6 lock nuts by hand. Once you finish putting everything by hand, it's time to finish tying everything either with a wrench or with a drill gun. For the M6 lock nut, you're going to use a 10mm socket, and for the M8, which is what's holding the brackets, you're going to use a 30mm socket. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one.